One of the biggest expenses landlords face isn't repairs or management fees, it's vacancy. Every day your property sits empty, you're not just losing rent. You're still paying things like the mortgage, insurance, property taxes, HOA dues, utilities. You're losing the opportunity to reinvest that rental income. That's why we've created our Vacancy Loss Calculator. It's simple to use. Enter your monthly rent, enter how many days the property is vacant, and see instantly how much income you're losing. It's eye-opening because vacancy loss adds up faster than most owners realize. At Stratton Vantage Property Management, our entire approach is built around reducing vacancy. We market aggressively, screen tenants thoroughly, and keep properties well maintained so tenants stay longer. The less time your property is empty, the more money stays in your pocket. Use the calculator below, and if you're ready to minimize vacancy loss and maximize returns, we'd love to help.